He's supposed to be feeding the birds, but I think he just stole the birds' food. I came around the corner a minute ago and Danica said, "Hey Daddy, we're feeding the birds." And then Sebastian poked his head around the corner and he said, "Yeah," but he had a mouthful of biscuits.
Are you feeding the birds?
He's going, "Cheese."
Sebastian, are you feeding the birds?
He went, his eyes rolled back in his head. Taking such a
Are you going to share with the birds?
He keeps saying cheese.
Are you going to give the birds some bread? You're sharing with the birds?
He's pretending to put the biscuit down on the ground. And then he turned his back and put it in his mouth. He said, "I love you, Mama."
Are you going to share with the birds? Okay, share with the birds. Okay.
He cracks me up. Silly things. Oh man.